Today we're shooting multiple videos. Easy ideas for vegan lunch meals that can be very satisfying and very nutritious. So I decided to show you some ideas that made with grilled slices of eggplant. That's really easy to make. I will use avocado in the ideas I'm creating today. Some greens, I have the baby greens here, different ones, those are store-bought. Some parsley. I have rustic bread that I have cut thick because we want it to be satisfying and something that holds us until dinner time. Salt, pepper, olive oil, and some rice vinegar. So I have some radishes here that I'm using for crunch. I soaked them in cold water after slicing them, and they will open up like this, and they will be much crunchier and much fresher to bite. And the same I did with some of those green onions. Let me show you. We'll start with drizzling some olive oil over the thick bread and lightly drizzle olive oil, and this I'm gonna grill in a grill, or if you don't have a grill you can put it also in a fry pan and grill it there. But since I have my grill, I'm gonna just toast it in my grill and show you how we can top it as soon as it's finished. Let me show you how to cut an avocado easily. I just sliced the avocado in half, and I just swivel the knife in an angle to open it. And now I have two halves. For this to remove, I just put the knife in and swivel it, and it comes out really easy. I just cut slices so it's easy for me to put it on the bread as soon as it's toasted and just flatten it on it. Meanwhile, I'm gonna mix the salad here. I will add the greens into a plate here. Those are washed. Some parsley that I just rip apart like this. I don't want to chop it fine. I want it to be even with the greens too. I will also add a few green onions, and all of this is to taste, of course. I will also add a sliced radish for really nice and crunchy texture. Into this, I will put some salt, some olive oil, and you can do lemon juice, you can do another vinegar, but I really like the rice vinegar. It just adds another dimension into the taste. And now just mix them a little bit, slightly. Now I have my toasted bread over here. I will put just a tiny bit of greens at the bottom. Just like that. Now on this, I will take the avocado and I will slightly press on it. Try to fan it. A tiny bit of salt, some pepper, and a touch of vinegar. You can decorate it with the onion, and with a couple of slices of radishes, green onion, a tiny drizzle of olive oil, and here you go. This is a delicious bread that has so many nutrients in it. That is great. Choose a rustic bread. Just make sure it's thick so it can hold the weight. Now you can cover it, or you can eat it with fork or knife, or choose how to go into this deliciousness. Okay, so now another idea for that with almost the same ingredients. The only difference is we're adding a slice of roasted eggplant. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll it like sushi, but this is not sushi, but you know the idea. I will put, of course, salt the eggplant a little bit. Now put a tiny bit of greens. Onto that, I will add a slice of avocado and a couple of radishes, some green onion that is sliced, and with the radishes you push down and you turn the eggplant around just like that. Okay, and you plate it on the plate you wish. Now the second we did the greens, we'll add the avocado, we'll add the green onions. I will also add a couple of leaves of parsley. Always salt a little bit the avocado, some black pepper. I will still put the radishes because it helps me roll without messing up my fingers. I will also put some pine nuts inside and roll. Sometimes your eggplant is not perfect, it's broken, but it will still work. And you have another one. See? Salt, tiny drizzle of olive oil, and some pine nuts, and here you go. You have really cool, nice lunch that is easy and nutritious, that holds you until dinner time. So enjoy those dishes and try them. They're delicious even though they're simple.